Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make WordPress website code with Harry, only ways. First, open your code editor and create a project folder named Site Harry, then unzip WordPress into that folder. Update wp-config, PHP with your database name, user, and password. Start your local server, navigate to localhost, and run the WordPress installer to set site title and admin account. Keep your editor ready to modify themes and plugins as we continue. In this video, I will explain how to make WordPress website code with Harry, only way. Begin by creating a theme folder under WP content/themes called Harry Theme, then add style. CSS with theme header details and index. PHP as the template file. Split header and footer into header. PHP and footer. PHP and include them with getHeader and getFooter. Use functions. PHP to enqueue your main style sheet and a script, ensuring proper dependencies, and versioning for cache control. In this video, I will help how to make WordPress website code with Harry, only way. Start by copying index, PHP into single, PHP and page. PHP then tailor the loop for each context, showing titles, meta, and content. Build a custom front page. PHP with widgets or custom fields for flexible sections. Factor repeated markup into template parts using getTemplatePart, and test each template by assigning a static front page and viewing sample posts to confirm layout and behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.